In today's video you will learn how to make star anise powder. In its natural form, star anise is a beautiful 6 to 8 point star-shaped pod. Each pod contains a single pea-sized seed. Both the seed and the pod are used when cooking and contain the sweet, strong flavor of anise. Did you know that star anise is the main ingredient in the Chinese 5-spice powder blend? Combined with cloves, cinnamon, fennel and peppercorns. The 5-spice powder is most commonly used in marinades and rubs to spice braised or roasted beef, fish, and poultry dishes. Star anise is available for purchase in both ground and whole. If you need star anise powder for a recipe, it is recommended to grind it yourself as it loses its flavor more quickly than other ground spices. Star anise is used whole and ground in baked goods and other dishes like stews, soups and tea. 1 star anise is about the same as a 1/2 teaspoon ground star anise. 2 pods equals around 1 teaspoon of ground powder. There are 2 methods to make star anise powder. Number 1. You can use a mortar and pestle. The mortar is a bowl-shaped object commonly made of granite, metal, hardwood, or ceramic. The pestle is a heavy club-shaped tool used to press or grind. To use, place the star anise pod and seed into the mortar and use the pestle in a rocking motion to crush and grind it into a powder as fine or coarse as you choose. Some people have said that the pod can be a little hard to crush with this method. Method number 2 to make star anise powder is to use an electric spice grinder or even a coffee bean grinder that is used just to grind spices. Other options you may try using to make star anise powder is a nutmeg grinder or a pepper mill. You can use star anise whole or ground in baked goods and other dishes like stews, soups and tea. What recipe are you using star anise powder in? Let me know in the comments and I'll try to respond to as many as I can.